Have you ever wondered why your grandma soaked her grains and lentils overnight? Let's dive into the science behind this age-old practice. Dr. Neha Garg here, an integrative nephrologist and an Ayurvedic health counselor. Please subscribe. Soaking grains and legumes help in enhancing nutrition in three key ways. First is by unlocking nutrients. Grains and lentils, they contain phytic acid, which binds essential minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium, making them less available for absorption. Soaking activates the enzyme phytase, which reduces this phytic acid and releases all these minerals for absorption. Soaking also reduces other anti-nutrients like lectins and tannins, which also interfere with mineral absorption and cause bloating and discomfort. Second benefit is improved digestibility. Soaking initiates the breakdown of complex sugars and fibers which cause gas and bloating. This makes them easy to digest. Third benefit is reduction in arsenic and cadmium content of brown rice and quinoa. Research indicates that soaking brown rice overnight, then rinsing and cooking it in excess water reduces arsenic by about 80%. This also helps reduce cadmium in some of the quinoa varieties which is found. Get in the habit of soaking your grains followed by rinsing and then cooking. For each cup of grain, use about 4 cups of water to soak for 8 to 10 hours. Adding a splash of lemon juice or vinegar enhances all the three key mechanisms that we discussed. Do this and your body will thank you. Till next time, stay healthy. Stay happy. Please subscribe.